Hello, welcome to solve this math problem. Before going through the correct method of solving this question, I would like to show you the method or the way most of the students do it wrong. So let's start doing that. So what we will do first thing is we will take x square as the common. So on the left we will left with 1 minus x equals 12. Now x square equals 12 or 1 minus x equals 12. Solving this, we get x minus of x is equal to 11, and multiplying both sides by minus 1, we get x is equal to minus 11. And solving this, we can take a square root of both sides. So square root of x square equals plus minus root of 12. Or this cancel out, x is equal to plus minus 12 can be written as 4.3, or x is equal to plus minus 2 can be taken out, so 2 root 3. Therefore the solution, three solution that we got is x is equal to plus 2 root 3, x equals to minus 2 root 3, and x is equal to minus 11. So now what the students think is that as this was a cubic equation and now we have got three solutions, so obviously our answer is correct. But the answer is no. The answer is wrong. Why? Because like this type of equating is done only and only when right side is 0. So if the equation would have been like x square into 1 minus x equals 0, then we can do the solving like this.